Okay folks, if you run, then your hip flexors are a vital part of your system, and what we have Ryan here doing is a resisted hip flexor march. So we've got him set up between two poles. The idea here is he's trying to create as much stiffness and tension in his body as he possibly can, and think about pulling the knee to his chest rather than the chest to his knee. We want to make sure that when we're looking at the low back here, that we're not seeing any change in shape in the low back, particularly any flexion. So the knee's coming slightly out to the side, same as it would if we were coming to the bottom of our squat. Ryan's leaning forward, same as it would be as if he was running, and we're pulling that hip powerfully up towards the chest. So Darren's got a nice abdominal hollow, butt's tight, he's pulling up with the hip flexors and kicking forward into the band. Okay, hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and down. This is phenomenal for anterior core activation, hip flexor strength, and improving your pull-ups as well. If you want better pull-ups, don't let your hips and your butt fall behind you. It just makes you